Alam naman natin that in every stories, there are sad and happy moments. But for us, moments are nothing without Clover. Dahil nga dito, nabuo friendship namin eh. And sometimes, closeness might end to lovers, katulad na nangyari sa kanila. Pero buti na lang, the lovers don't affect our friendship. We're still always super together and ever, forever. Kapit bisig, kapit kamay, kahit kapit papa. Yung mga moments na makauso lang. Henry, ito ang salweta mo siya. O basta, Clover pa rin hanggang sa huli ah. The healthiest knock you can ever resist. Wala nang iba pa. Yan ang kwento namin. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Clover. Si Moss, sarap talaga.
Even let you hold the remote control.